Sir, before I go into the few details which I want to table here, I want to say a word about the opposition leaders, opposition parties. Sir, throughout 24, we saw them shedding crocodile tears about Manipur for everything. Did the Prime Minister visit? Did the Home Minister visit? Did the law and order come to normalcy? Every time about Manipur, they will raise issues, they will voice their grievance, total crocodile tears. I've seen it even earlier once when we brought in a bill for Manipur's budget, because again it was under the president's rule and the governor was doing it. We had to present a budget for Manipur. Even at that time, they did not participate in the debate. Even at that time, they did not think of Manipur people's welfare, that money should go to them through the budget being passed. They didn't think about it. Even today, when the GST benefits have to go to the state government because they will otherwise not earn the revenue out of it, when we are trying to have an ordinance be converted to be a regular bill and get passed here to become an act, they are not here to participate. So all the grievance that they voiced about Manipur, accusing the Prime Minister, accusing the Home Minister, they're all just drama. I'm ashamed to say this. I'm sorry to say this. विपक्ष के रोल ये होता है कि आप जिम्मेदाराना रवैया अपनाना चाहिए और जिम्मेदारी के साथ एक जो स्टेट जिसके ऊपर आप इतना बात कर रही हो, उसका बेहतरी के लिए कानून जब पारित होता है, बजट जब पारित होता है, उसमें शामिल होना है, भाग लेना है। मगर ये विपक्ष तो मगरमच्छी का आंसू बह रही है और जब क्रिटिकल बिल्स आते हैं मणिपुर का भाग जाते हैं। शर्मनाक बात है सर, आई एम सॉरी। मैं आपके सामने ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि आज भी वो मणिपुर की चर्चा में भाग नहीं लिया, दुख के मैं कहना चाह रही हूँ। सर, दिस particular amendment is very important, sir, because it does two things. The